Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a simple graphic design using Canva. Open Canva, go to Instagram post, click on see all, then you click blank, create blank. Change the background color by simply clicking on color, then you choose your preferable color. So once you're here, you can either go to elements to search for materials, or if you have the materials already, you can click on gallery to upload them to the page. So here, click on elements. At this point, I'll bring in all the elements I need to use. Then after dragging it, you click on flip and flip it vertically to have something like this. Then you pull this down. To have exactly like this. Once this is done, you go to transparency, then you reduce the transparency to about 26. So this is good. Next, you go back to your elements. Then this time around, you can either type green shadow or green gradients, and you see diverse gradients. Then you go to graphics and you select any of the gradients here. So I have this, I'll drag this down and keep it somewhere. Next, go back to elements. This time around, search for irregular shapes. Then you click on graphics. Here, there are diverse irregular shapes, so you can select any one of it that suits your choice. And this go. Next, you go back to elements. Then this time around, you type plate of food. And you just type healthy food. Then you see varieties of food. Then you go to photos. Scroll through it. You're going to see different kinds of food. Then you can pick any one of it and add it to your design. So if you're picking one that has a background on it, you can click here. Then you go to Magic Studio. From Magic Studio, you locate BG Remover to remove the background, and you're left with just your plate of food. You resize it and keep it somewhere else here. Okay, next you go back, you still go to your element to add other things to your design. So you come back to elements, then this time around, you're looking for a black shadow. So you can use the search bar and just type in black shadow. Then you have something similar to this. Then you add it to your design as well. Okay, here you resize it. Then go to position or layer and drag this backward. Okay, so you have something exactly like this. Then you can as well do other trimming to give you what a desirable result. Okay, so this goal. Next, we bring in other materials. So all you need to do is for you to go to your elements, then you bring in your material and make sure you arrange them properly. So with this, you can add a blur effect to it. So you scroll down to where you have effects, then you grab the blur effect. Then you have, this is here. So you increase the intensity here. And once that's done, that's cool. You just click this and that's just it. And you place it somewhere. So you repeat the same process to all the materials you're going to do. You bring the materials, then you click on it, go to effects, then you apply the blur effect. So to get this effect, you can just type in light effect and you see diverse light effect. Then you do still another light effect, then you place it somewhere here. Then this time around you go to transparency. Then you reduce the transparency to have something like this. Okay, with this is cool. Then the next thing is to go back to your elements. Then this time around, once you're done bringing all the elements you need for your work, then you can add further elements provided they are needed for your design. So this time around, you need a circle. So you click this, a plane shape. So you click here, then you come to shape, then you change it to cycle, and you have exactly like that. Then you come to style. You want to add border to it, so you increase this by either 6 or 8. Then you also change the border color to white. Then you change the main circle color to green or something that is going to match well with your design. Okay, so this is done. So we need to add a shade to that circle. So you click on the black shadow, then duplicate it to have something like this. Then you bring it out, resize it, fit in here. Then send it to the back. Then you have something exactly like this. Okay, so this is nice. Next thing is for you to bring in your text. So you can come to text. So you go to text, then once you go to text, you choose the different template. You can type in a plain text, or you can choose from the diverse templates that are here. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using these very templates. Then once I bring it in, I'll work on it, do some of the editing, edit what and take off what I don't want and stuff like that. So we have this, we fit this in. Okay, so with this, my text is ready and everything is set, and with this I feel that's okay. The next thing is for you to add your main text. So here you click on text. So once you're done with your text, so you just have to bring in the remaining materials to your design to finalize your work. So you have this. Okay, so after everything with this, your design is done. This is how you can use Canva to create a simple product design to advertise your business. So this is where we are going to end for today. If you find this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and also share. And don't also forget to turn on your bell notification so that you receive updates on my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.